In this problem, find potential difference across AB and across AB and BC. B and C. See, C is grounded. It means nothing. Here 0 volt is available. Here is 5 volt is available. This is higher potential, lower potential, same potential. Here potential is 0 volt. It means this up to here 0 volt, then further. See, current will start from external circuit from positive terminal, we call it as I, and it will branch out. This here it will go as I1, here it will go as I2, I2, I1, again it will go join at this junction. At this junction it will go like this I. This is the way how the current is flowing. Now for C, when we see here A and C, battery is connected between A and C. One branch is connected between A and C, one more branch is connected. So we can keep A and C as a common A and C at common point. From A and C, one branch is connected. That is one branch. That is 7 ohm, 7 ohm, and 7 ohm. A and C. This branch A, B, C. So this is point A up to here point A, then point B up to here point B because there is no voltage drop. So this point will be, this will be A, B, sorry, this will be okay. Now this branch also connected, continuously connected between A and C. We can write like this: A, this is 7 ohm, 7 ohm, 7 ohm, 7 ohm, 7 ohm, 7 ohm, it is in series. Here also 7 ohm, 7 ohm in series, 7 ohm, 7 ohm, 7 ohm. Between A and C, battery is also connected. Between A and C, battery of 5 volt is also connected. This is 5 volt. So current will start flowing from positive terminal in the external circuit like this. It will go. This here is I1. So this branch is I2. This branch is I1. So we have simplified this circuit. Now again further on simplifying, because this is 7, 7, 7, 21. This is 21 series, because 7 plus 7 plus 1, 21 ohm is in series between A. Now again this is the point A, this is the point C. Between A and C there is a point B, then B and C, 1 7 is connected. This we see A, between A, see this point we will call it as, because this is A, 7 volt is connected, and 7 volt is connected, 7 volt is connected, right. Now this is 21 volt, and this is also how much? Between A and C, because between A and C 7, 7, 7 is in series. This is also 21 ohm. Then battery is connected. So further we have simplified, battery of 5 volt is connected. Further we simplify. Now if you see here, this and this are connected in parallel and identical resistor. For identical resistor, identical resistor, resistors in parallel R equivalent is equal to any one of these two R divided by number of the resistors in parallel, number of resistors in parallel. So number of resistance in parallel, it means R is equal to here R, two identical resistors. These are identical, that is 21 ohm, 21 ohm. So R can be taken as 21 ohm is equal to 21 ohm by 2. So R equivalent is equal to this much ohm. It means we can write R equivalent is equal to 21 by 2, and across this 5 volt is connected. What about the current? See, current is equal to applied voltage divided by R equivalent. So current is equal to 5 divided by R equivalent is equal to 21 by 2 ampere is equal to 10 by 21 ampere. So I is equal to 10 by 21 ampere. So this is the I flowing. Here I is flowing from the battery. So this is the I, and here is the I flowing from the battery. That is flowing from, so I is equal to 10 by 21 ohm. Now see, this branch and this branch are parallel. So what is the potential here between these two? This applied voltage is applied here also, applied here also. It means between this branch and between this branch, the total voltage is 5 volt. Because in parallel circuit, the potential is equally divided. So 5 volt is applied, 5 volt is also here, 5 volt is also here. Now, from here the I is flowing 10 by 21 ohm, and resistor R equivalent is this much. Now, this setup, see, this is the arrangement of these two. Now the current is flowing in parallel circuit. The current is equally divided. See, I is equal to 10 by 21 ampere. So this also identical, this side also identical. The total net current is equally divided. That is the current through this, we call it as I2. We already done I2, and this is I1. See, I1 is equal to I2 is equal to net current divided by 2. What is net current? Therefore I1 is equal to I2 is equal to net current is 10 by 21 divided by half is equal to 5 by 21 ampere. Therefore I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 5 by 21 ampere. 5 by 21 ampere. Now we have calculated I1, I2, everything. Now third thing, what is asking? Now see here, we have to find out the potential across AB. It means current through this is I1. I1 is 5 by 21 ampere. Same current is flowing here also, I1. Why? Because it is series circuit, I1. Here also I1. So here I2. Because of series, it will flow. Same number of current will be flowing here also. Now, potential across AB. It means we have to find out which is AB. This point. Between these 2 points. Between these two resistors, between AB, between these two. The potential across this point. This is potential across AB. So what is the current here? Current is equal to current through this one. So current through 7 ohm is equal to 5. Current through is equal to 5 by 21 ampere. Voltage across this voltage plus this voltage is equal to voltage across AB. Potential difference, that is potential is equal to voltage across 7 ohm plus voltage across 7 ohm. Because what is the voltage here? In series? Net voltage between these two is equal to summation of this, addition of these two voltage. So V in the 7 ohm, this is equal to I1 into 7 plus I1 into 7 is equal to I1 into 7 into 2. So I1, what is I1? 5 by 21 into 7 into 2. This is 3. So 10 by 3 volt. So voltage across AB is equal to 10 by 3 volt, because voltage here is 7 into 10 by 3 plus 10, this is 10 by 3, 5 into I1 is equal to 5, 2 into 5, 10 by 21, so 10 by, okay, I1 into 7 into 7 if you take it, this will become 1 plus 1. That way 5 by 21 is I1 and 7 into 2, so this is 3, 5 into 10, 10 by 3. So it means potential across this portion is equal to 10 by 3 volt. Potential across this and potential across this, same. Potential across this is equal to potential across A, we can call it as this point F. Potential across AF is equal to current through this 5 by 21 into 7 is equal to 5 by 3. Potential across VAF and FB also same 7 ampere. Here is 5 by 3, here also same 5 by 21 into 5 by 3. So potential across AF plus potential across FB is equal to potential across AB, because potential across AF plus FB is equal to potential across AB is equal to 5 by 3 is equal to 2 into 5 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. That's what we have seen it here. This is potential across AB is equal to potential across AB is equal to how much equal? 10 by 3 volt. 10 by 3 volt. Now, what is the potential across AB and BC? He is asking across AB. See, this is AB and BC. What is the potential across BC? The potential across BC between this portion and this portion. So potential across BC is equal to current through this into the resistance. Current through this is equal to I1 is equal to 5 by 21 into resistance is 7 is equal to 5 by 3 volt. It means the current through this is 5 by 3. So what is the net voltage across this one? As it is recent, since it is a parallel circuit, 5 volt will be applied between this end to end. Let us see potential across A and C. A and C, because A and C. So this voltage plus this voltage plus this voltage, that is 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 3 into 5 by 3 is equal to 5 volt. This already we have seen, since this is parallel and this is parallel with the battery, so 5 volt is applied here also, 5 volt is applied here also. So potential across BC is equal to 5 by 3, potential across AC is equal to this much, and potential across AB is equal to, because AB here is potential 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So 2 into 5 by 3, that is equal to 2 into 5 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3 volt. A wire of resistance 10 ohm is bent into complete circle. See, this is the wire, its length is equal to length and having a resistance of 10 ohm. It is completely bent into a circle. Let us see, it is a circle of radius r. So this is a diametrically opposite point, A and B, diametrically opposite point. We have to find out the resistance between diametrically opposite point. The resistance between diametrically opposite point. So it means this is total length is equal to 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? This length is converted into a circle of assumed radius r, and length is equal to the circumference 2 pi r, and L by 2 is equal to 2 pi r divided by 2 is equal to pi r. Okay, now we have to find out the resistance between the diametrically opposite point, that is resistance between A and B we have to find out. So this, what is this length? This is L, and it means half L, this is half L. So this is L by 2, this is L by 2. See, resistance is equal to rho L by A. So we call this portion is R1. So R1 is equal to rho by A into half the length, this portion is equal to rho L by A into half, and R1, this is rho L by A is equal to R, so R divided by 2. Same way R2 also, because it is having same L by 2 length, out of L length it is having L by 2 length, so R2 also is equal to rho by A into L by 2, which is equal to R by 2. So now we can see the circuit, how we can convert. This is point A, this is having a resistance full portion, and this is for this portion. This is diametrically opposite point A and B. Two resistors are in parallel. This is R by 2. We can call it as R1. This we can call it as R2 is equal to R by 2, because both are symmetrical. For symmetrical, R equivalent to take any one of the resistance and divided by number of resistance is equal to R by 4. So R equivalent, where R is equal to 10 ohm divided by 4, therefore R equivalent is equal to 2.5 ohm. See, this is converted into, this is diametrically opposite point A and B is equal to, which is equal to the R by 4, R 2.5 ohm. Now we can do it other way also. This is, we can go shortest way. Other way also, this is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R by 2 plus 1 by R by 2, because both are parallel, is equal to 2 by R plus 2 by R is equal to 2 into 2 by R is equal to 4 by R, or R equivalent is equal to R by 4, which is equal to 10 by 4 is equal to 2.5 ohm. We can calculate this way also, we can calculate this way also. Only thing, for we apply here the identical resistors formula for parallel circuit. So this also right, this also right, this is bit shorter.